Hello friends, in this video we learn confirm and prompt in JavaScript. So what would happen in prompt and confirm? Like there is an alert in JavaScript. So in prompt it will be same, but there will be a text box in the alert, and if you type like enter your name, so in that text box we have to enter our name, and there will be two buttons which are OK and cancel button. And in confirm, like here's any question in our web page, and the children type their answer and they click on submit, then there will be a warning says are you confirm, means are you really want to submit your answer. Then if they click on OK, then the answer will be submitted, and if they will click on cancel, then the answer will not submit, means it will like a warning, and there will be two buttons in both of this. And now, so firstly here you can see that I have styled body with many colors. See how it is. So it is looking very beautiful now. Firstly, here in body I will type h1 tag, then I will type test paper, and then here I will type after h1 tag I will type enter your name, and then I want a button here. Here, then I want a button that says name, and I want a function called name, means name, and then bracket, and then colon. Now in script tag you have to code function, and then na, and then bracket. After bracket we have to type curly bracket. And so for prompt we have to type here simple var and name your var, like I will name var v, and then do not type any apostrophe, and type here prompt, this one, and it is very simple. You have to type a bracket and then apostrophe, and inside apostrophe you have to type enter your name down below. Now see, this is the output, and let's remove this BR. And now see, if we click on, and first here is enter your name, and when we click on name, it here is a text box. In simple alert there will be no text box to type anything, there will be alert, and there will be only one button or two buttons. So this is the output of prompt, and here we can type our name like this, and when you click on OK it will submit. But I want here one more warning after typing my name, welcome, then the name which I typed in my text box. So that is very simple, we learned. But in the previous videos, in the lesson 41, we don't learn that how can you display a welcome then our name, which we fill in our text box, which we have to fill our name. So to do this we have to type here alert, and after typing alert you have to type here bracket and then apostrophe, then welcome. And for displaying our name you have to come out of apostrophe, but you have to type plus. First type here plus and then name of your var, like his var v, then I can type here v. And remember to type plus v outside of the apostrophe and inside of the bracket. So now see how it comes. This is our output. When we click on name, here come a text box, and upon the text box says enter your name down below. And when we type here name Alicia, and when we click on OK, then it says welcome Alicia, but here is no gap. Why it is? Because here we don't leave a gap. When we leave a gap after welcome but in apostrophe, then see when we click on name, here I can fill ABC and then OK, then it says welcome ABC, or we can type here Alicia, then it says welcome Alicia. We can type here anything, like we can type here Pete, then OK, then it says welcome Pete. If I type here anything like GHYT, and then when we click on OK, then it says welcome GHYT. So like this you can use prompt, and after prompt is confirm. So type here BR after button and type here question 1, and the question 1 is add 10 and 20. So what I want is, here I want a input type text, and after this text box I want a button which says submit answer, and then for the function I want on click, and the function I want is and bracket and then colon. Now what I want is, when I fill something in text box, let's see the output was, when I fill something in text box like this, and when I click on submit answer, I want a warning here, and the warning says, are you really want to submit your answer? If I click on OK, then I want the answer which I fill here, and after clicking one more time OK, then I want the real answer, which is the answer of this question. And if I click on cancel, I want OK. So now see how we can do this. This is very easy, but you have to know that how can we use prompt and confirm and where the things come. So remember, now type here function. After typing function, you have to type your function name, then bracket, then curly bracket, and then type here one var which names A, B, any name you can give here, then type here is equal to, and then document dot get, or do not type any var here. You have to type the var for confirm box. So type here var and then msg means message, and then is equal to. After typing is equal to, you have to type here confirm, and after confirm type bracket, then apostrophe, and inside bracket means apostrophe you can type a warning like, are you really want to submit answer, then question mark, and then type colon. Now in the next line you have to type here if, which we learn if, and then bracket, inside bracket type msg, then 2 is equal to. Why I type here msg? remember that here I type MSG, that's why I will type here MSG. Means the var name is MSG, that's why I type here MSG. If I type here V, then here comes V. If I type here A, then here comes A. And after typing MSG, you have to type here true. And what would happen if we type like this? True means when any user click on OK. So when the user of our website fill the answer, and when he click on submit answer, and then there will be a warning which says I really want to submit answer, then this function will code, and when he click on OK, then it means it is true. Then you have to type here curly bracket, and what you have to do is to create a var here inside if. You can also create a var inside if. So type here var and name your var as B, and type here is equal to, remember to do not type any apostrophe here in this var, and type here document dot get element by id, and then bracket, and then apostrophe, and then type the id of your text box. But here you can see that there is no id, so type here id, and the id I am giving is te, and te means text box, and type here te. And remember to type here dot value. Why we type here dot value? Like te is a text box, not any value, but we want the value of inside the text box. That's why we have to type here dot value. Means we want this te. What is te here? Te is this input type, and we want the value of this input type. That's why we have to type here dot value after document dot get element by id. So after typing like this, you have to type here in the next line alert, and like we learned here that how can we add some text with the var. So now type here you typed, and then type a space here, and outside of the apostrophe and inside of the bracket you have to type plus p, so the user can see that what he typed in the text box. And now after that's the output of this coding, then we will do more. Now if I type here 50, the answer, but the 50 is not the answer is 30, I know, but here if I type 50 and then submit answer, it says are you really want to submit answer, and here's 2 button. If I click on OK, it says you typed 50. See here I typed 50, so it can display that what I typed here. Then OK, if we remove this dot value from here, then see how it is. I will type here 60 this time and submit answer. It says I really want to submit answer, and when I click on OK, it says you typed object HTML input element. It means this is a input element of HTML, this one. So this is not the answer which I typed. So that's why here is dot value very important. If you forget to type here dot value, then there will be no answer which I typed in my text box and I want to display. Now type here one more alert and type answer is 30. So this is answer. When the user click on one more time OK, then they can see the answer, that what is the answer. And now type here else, means if the user if the user hit the cancel button, then what would happen? I want an alert there, and the alert I want is OK, and okay. Type the right answer and check it 5 times. Now see how it is. I am a user of this website and this is a test paper. See here, and you can see that I have refreshed it, and here's a test paper. This is a test paper of any student, but here's only one question. If you want 2 or 3 questions then you can. Now here's enter your name. When I click on name, it has a warning here and it says enter your name down below, and here's a textbook. Here I can type many things. We can copy and paste it. See, we can type so much in this text box. It is looking small but it is very big. So now first we wrap this, and if I type here Alicia and then okay, then it says welcome Alicia. And if we type here anything like Alicia and here's a cancel button, when we click on it then it says welcome null, means nobody, because we type here cancel. So let's type one more time here. Enter your name down below. If I change the name as Shrestha and then okay, then it says welcome Shrestha. Means if I type here ABC, then it says welcome ABC, means the letters which I typed in the text box will be displayed. And here's at 10 plus 20. Here the users can write their answer. If anybody type their answer, then when you click on submit answer, then it says are you really want to submit answer. When you click on okay, it says you typed, and here is nothing because we does not type anything in the text box. And when we click on okay, it says answer is 30. So we can type here like 40. If I think that the answer is 40, then submit answer. It says I really want to submit answer, and when I click on cancel, that I don't know, means I don't want to submit, then it says okay, type the right answer and check it 5 times. Is much in the place of A. And now here I type 30, means the right answer, and submit answer. It says I really want to submit answer, then okay, then it says you type 30, and when you click on okay, it says answer is 30. So you can make a very beautiful web page by using JavaScript, CSS and the tags of HTML. So friends, after this all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.